Bring your lake or pond to life with a captivating and powerful fountain. With a variety of sizes and shapes, Kasco's J Series fountains are the ideal fit for practically any size water source. This video will help you assemble your fountain and take that first step to getting it into the water. What's in the kit? Your new J Series fountain. The J Series float, 5 interchangeable nozzles, J Series bottom screen, the appropriate control box for your voltage ordered, 3 3/8 16 by 3 inch hex head bolts, 3 3/8 lock washers, 3 3/8 by 1 1/4 fender washers, 3 3/8 16 by 1/2 inch hex head screw, 7/16 and 9/16 wrench, an extra O-ring, 3 mooring ropes, dielectric grease. Let us get started. Place your Kasco J Series fountain on a table or safe work area with plenty of space. Take note of the 3 bolt hole pattern as shown here. Then, take your float and set it on top of the fountain. Ensure the power cord cutout on the float is aligned with the power cord while aligning the 3 bolts on top. Once your fountain is properly aligned, take your hex head bolts, lock washers, and flat washers and place them through the guide holes as displayed here. Proceed by tightening each bolt up with your supplied wrench. This next step you may need assistance from a friend. Take your float assembly and flip it upside down. Then confirm your power cord is set up into the dedicated power cord channel as displayed here. Grab your serrated hex head bolts and by hand twist them into the 3 holes displayed here. Make sure to leave a gap between the float and bolt head for future steps. Take the bottom screen and slide it down the canister, then twist it clockwise until the hooks wrap around the hex head bolts. Proceed by tightening all 3 bolts. Then, with a friend, lift the float back into its upright position. Your next step will be selecting one of the 5 water patterns you want to display. Please note, all nozzles will have a number indicating their pattern and the reference number can be found inside the manual. However, some patterns may need more than one piece for optimal viewing pleasure. If your desired pattern is birch, you are done as that nozzle is pre-installed on the fountain. If you have chosen the spruce or redwood pattern, remove the birch nozzle and double check that the O-ring with dielectric grease stayed in place after removal and replace if needed. Then grab the appropriate nozzle and simply twist it onto the top of the fountain. The redwood will require the flow straightener installed in the bottom of the spruce nozzle. If you have selected the linden or balsam pattern, first remove the birch nozzle, making sure the O-ring and dielectric grease stay put and twist the outlet nozzle on in its place. Then grab the linden or balsam pattern, proceed by twisting the metal shaft into the outlet nozzle's pre-tapped hole. Tighten by hand. Now you are ready for installation in your pond or lake. And remember, if you have any issues, please give us a call at 715-262-4488 and the best customer experience team in the world will be able to help. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.